Wrabness Nature Reserve sits on the Stour estuary, and its location, coupled with careful management, ensures that it hosts an abundance of wildlife throughout the year. Towards the end of April, the first turtle doves arrived and may be heard purring from the scrub. By May, the beautiful call of the nightingale echoes across the site, whilst barn owls and kestrels patrol the skies searching for small mammals in the grasslands below. Winter brings the arrival of hundreds of wildfowl and waders who take advantage of the warm, thick mud to feed on invertebrates, whilst the grasslands support good populations of dark-bellied Brent geese. Beyond birds, the species-rich grassland allows an array of butterflies, moths and other invertebrate species to thrive, in turn feeding the small mammals who catch the eye of the watchful barn owls and the kestrels gliding and hovering above. Until 2018, Wrabness Nature Reserve consisted of 24 hectares of land protecting the wildlife within. In 2018, thanks to the generosity of many donors who contributed to an appeal, Essex Wildlife Trust was able to purchase additional land, protecting yet more wildlife. In 2020, another parcel of land adjacent to the existing site was donated to Essex Wildlife Trust, increasing the site's total area to 32 hectares. Excitingly, these new acquisitions comprise mainly of degraded wet grassland, a habitat of significant importance for breeding waders and wildfowl species. Work is now underway to improve the wet grassland areas as well as enhance existing areas, and all thanks to the generosity of all of those donors and supporters and members who care so much about the wildlife of their county. Thank you to every one of you.